Hi everyone, I'm here with Sylvia. Sylvia, say hello.
Hi.
Today we're going to be taking apart the Nexus 5G from Google. It was originally released in the year 2015. Sylvia, hold up the phone so everyone can see. Right, turn it around on its front. You can see at the time it was a state-of-the-art mobile phone. It has a camera on the back. Can you show them that? And then what's that thing beneath it?
This is the fingerprint scanner. So normally on phones today, you put your thumb here to scan, but in 2015 when they created this phone, you had to do this.
That's
so
right.
Scan your.
And what did it do once you scanned your fingerprint?
It would go into the phone. It would unlock the phone.
Unlock it, right. What else is back there on the back side of the phone?
The rear-facing camera, which is this one. Oh, wait, this is the camera.
That's right.
And then this is the flash.
That's right. Correct. All right, and what's on the front of the phone?
The front-facing camera and...
You got two speakers, right? And speaker and a microphone.
Yeah.
All right, well, we'll look more into that as we take apart another one of the phones that we already took apart, right?
Yeah, we have two of the same phones.
All right. Let's see what's inside.
So we have the camera and flash, and then where the fingerprint scanner would be. And then, so this is the actual fingerprint scanner itself. And then on the bottom we have antennas. So normally there'd be an antenna coming out from the phone, but then they put the antenna down here.
Those are back in the old days when people had to pull antennas out of their phone. Yeah. Now it's integrated, right? These little white lines back here, that's the antenna.
And then now this is the motherboard. Yeah, so this is the
well, that's got to be the contact sensor, right?
Yeah, this is where the fingerprint scanner goes, so it connects to the motherboard.
So when you put your finger on the fingerprint sensor, it sends the data wirelessly via contact to the motherboard, utilizing this big platform here, right? This little contact sensor, that metal piece. What else is on here?
And then we have the microphones, which are down here.
They're probably on the other side, right? Want to turn it over?
Yeah. So they're on the other side down here.
There's 3 black dots, right? There's one here, and then a couple up here and here. Those are microphones. And then, how does a phone get power?
Through the USB port.
Yes, that's right. USB-C. That was a big deal back then. Very good. And what else? What else are we missing? There's one thing we're missing on here of interest.
The volume up.
Oh, good ones.
Volume down and power.
Yep, that's right. So that's like these buttons. Oop, on this side, right? And then, what does this do again?
Flash.
And where's the flash?
Right here.
Now we have the phone open. That's right. The flash is integrated into the motherboard. All right, fantastic. What's next?
Then on this side, this is the rear-facing camera, which would be right here.
That's right.
Then there is the battery right here.
It's a lithium-ion battery, right?
Yeah, it's the biggest piece in the whole phone, except for the phone itself.
Yeah, and that's where most of the weight comes from in a phone.
Yeah, and then there's the earpiece, which is right here.
Oh, that's the front-facing camera, right? So if we look closely, I don't know if it'll come out in the video.
It's right there.
It's that right there.
So this is the front-facing camera.
Can you pull it up? Yeah, pull it up. Just give it a tug.
I'm afraid I'm gonna break it.
That's okay. All right, turn it around so everyone can see it. Cool, it's a front-facing camera. That's how you take selfies.
Yeah. So tiny.
What makes the phone vibrate when you have a call or an email or notification?
This little... I can't get it out.
It's tough to get out? It's stuck in there, huh? There we go, I got it.
Use these. Okay.
Let's show everybody what that is.
Thing.
That is the thing that makes your phone vibrate. It's a vibration motor. Pretty cool.
It has springs right here to connect to the motherboard.
That's right. It's a contact sensor on the top that connects it to the motherboard. On the other side of the motherboard.
I'll go back in.
That's okay. You don't have to put it back.
Okay.
What else? We have anything else to show everybody?
The SIM card.
The SIM card, the thing that connects your phone to the cellular network and allows you to access data and voice, right?
Yep.
So it fits into a little drawer.
So this is the one that came out in 2015 with this phone.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is another one.
It's an old-timey one.
The exact same, except this one is bigger than the other one.
Mm-hmm, that's right. And then in the future releases, we won't even have these things. They'll actually be software SIM cards. So we won't actually need these little drawers or SIM cards at all. Pretty cool. Well, we thought it was important for everybody to see what was inside your phone so that we don't think of these things as magical devices.
Not exactly inside your phone, because you probably have like an iPhone something.
That's true.
Inside.
But what we can learn from taking apart this old phone is that many of the parts are still the same
Did I put this on?
today, right?
I can't put it back.
Well, I think we don't need to put it back, but we did have fun taking it apart, right?
Yep.
All right, tell everybody goodbye.